Welcome. In this quick guide, you'll learn how to turn on crisis and emergency alert notifications on X, formerly known as Twitter, using the web version on your PC. This new update makes it easier to get important alerts directly from X, so you never miss critical updates in your area. Let's get started. First, open your browser and go to x.com. Make sure you're signed into your account. You'll need to be logged in to access your settings and make changes to your notifications. Next, take a look at the menu on the left-hand side of the screen. There, you'll see several options such as Home, Explore, and Notifications. Click on Notifications to open your notification center. Once you're in the Notifications section, look for a small gear icon or Settings option, usually located near the top right corner. Click on it to access your notification settings. Inside Settings, you'll see different categories. Find and select Preferences. This section helps you personalize how and what types of notifications you receive. Now, within Preferences, look for an option labeled Push Notifications. Click on it to continue. Under the Push Notifications menu, scroll until you find a category called From X. This area manages alerts that come directly from the platform itself, rather than from other users. Here's the important part. Look for the option labeled Crisis and Emergency Alerts. There will be a checkbox or toggle switch next to it. Simply check or turn it on to enable these crucial notifications. Once it's activated, you'll start receiving official alerts issued during emergencies, natural disasters, or significant crises in your region. These alerts come directly from trusted sources, helping you stay informed and prepared when it matters most. And that's it. You've successfully turned on crisis and emergency alert notifications on X using the new web update. This setting ensures that when critical information is shared by X, you'll be one of the first to know. Staying connected and informed has never been simpler. Thanks for watching.